Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt, your Carolina chiropractor here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We got David in here with us today, and he's got some stuff going on. His tailbone has been bothering him, and he's had some surgeries on his left leg, so he's compensating throughout his spine. And so we're going to do a full body adjustment on him and try and get him back into tip-top shape. How's that sound? Good?
Sounds awesome.
All right. We already did our orthopedic and neurological exam. Everything was normal with him, just aches and pains and misalignments. So head over here, face down. Alright. Relax. Right leg's just a little bit short. Does that tighten up in the low back?
A little bit. Not bad.
Right in through here is where it's sore at.
Oh yeah.
Elbow.
A little bit up like here, right in there.
Right in there?
Yeah. A little bit.
Yeah, that's the sacrum and that side joints too then. So I'm just doing his spinal exam right now. There. Definitely both SI joints and the sacrum, tailbone. Yep. Neck on the right. You said you have some issues up here on the right side
A
mostly?
little bit. I got a motorcycle wreck. It's when I broke my ankle, my left ankle,
Yep.
and the other chiropractic place was getting it in,
Yeah.
shape. And then
Right.
I had that accident going ziplining, so I
Oh,
think
yeah.
I re-injured it.
Mm-hmm. And some of that's just the compensation from this side over here, this left side.
Yeah, it's been my whole life. Like,
Oh,
the
okay.
first series of surgeries is when I was 18 months old, till I was 3.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been compensating my whole life.
Right. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start right here. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Yep, just relax. Yep, okay. Cool. Does it feel that one?
Oh yeah.
Yep, just relax. Yep. Drop this down. That's right SI. Yep, just relax. I'm gonna stretch this leg out a little bit, okay?
Yeah.
Your hip flexors right here.
Yeah.
Just relax. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yep, just keep breathing. Yep. Okay. This side too. Just relax. Oh. Just relax. Yep. Yep. Just the sacrum and tailbone right here. Yep. Relax. Relax. Yep. Yep. Is that okay?
Yeah. It's a little sore, but it's
Yep.
awesome.
Yep. 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 Just relax. Yep. Just relax. Good. Over here. Yep. Relax. Yep. Good. There it goes. All right. this one more time right here. Just relax. There it was. Feel that?
Oh yeah, definitely.
There you go. Get this one more time here. Right here, relax. That's pretty good there. I'm gonna flip you on your side. Face me this way. Or you can flip yourself.
I would say, I never work out to do that.
There you go. Just relax. Just relax. I'm gonna contact the sacrum here too. Yep. Just like that. Yep.
Oh.
Okay, other side. Feel that one?
Oh yeah.
Yep. That, yep. Same thing here, just relax. Get this SI joint. Yep. Yep. Very good. Under back. Yep. You need that one.
Yes, I did. Probably my whole life, right?
Alright. Relax. Yep. Just relax. Relax. I got this. Yep. Yep. Same thing over here. Relax. Yep. That's so good. Yep. Oh. This one. This is okay for me to pull on this, right?
Yeah.
Just relax. Good. There you go. Alright, slide up just a tad for me. Just a tad. There you go. Oh, too far. Right, just like that. I'm gonna adjust your ribs here. Slide down, back down for me. That should be good. Yep. Good. I'm gonna set your head back over your shoulders here. Yep. Just relax. Yep. 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 Good. Alright, I'm gonna help you up. Sit up. Oh! Face that way. And just put it over there. Just relax, relax. Just relax. I got you. Yep. Good. Same thing over here. One more. Good. Okay. Alright, David. Come on over here. We'll do the ring dinger.
Sit down.
Yeah, sit there and lay on your back. Head goes up here. Slide down a little bit. Yep, very good. Just relax your legs. Just lift them out. Probably starting to feel better already, huh?
Oh yeah.
You got some blood flowing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I thought I already did the ring dinger.
Not yet. So this one here, this tile's gonna go around your head.
Okay.
Yep, just like that. Let your head down. Yep. And I got pins I'm gonna lock your hips in place with.
Okay.
And I'll pull like that, and you'll feel it like a bendy straw. Okay?
Okay.
Yep. Slide down a little bit more. That needs to be right on top of your hip. Yep, just like that. Alright, just relax. I need to go one tighter if I can. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Alright. Keep your teeth together. Yep. Breathe through your nose. There you go. Yep, just like that. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Did you feel that?
Yes, sir.
All the way down?
Yep.
There you go. Let's do your reflexes again. Great. Yep, still kicking. How'd that feel?
Pretty good, yeah. Felt great. Like to do the initial show.
Yes. Yeah, it's a shocking adjustment.
Yeah,
Definitely.
that's good though. Great.
I got a couple more things we're gonna do here. You're gonna stand like this and face that way. Yep, link your fingers together. There you go. Okay, now just relax. Yep, relax. Lean back on me. Yep, and pinch your elbows together. Yep.
Oof, wow.
You feel that one?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Like this. I'm just gonna get you right in your perfect posture here. Yep. And this will help you to hold your adjustment. And when you go home, put some ice on that
Okay.
tailbone down there.
Can I work out first or?
Yeah, you can work out. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's best to keep moving after adjustment. How's that feel, David?
Awesome.
Anything you'd like to say to our YouTube viewers?
Love the experience. Thank you. I feel much better.
Thank you. God bless you, man.
Yes, sir.